welcome. This is Raphael from Twin Brew Games, and we're extremely proud to present to you Chaka, an ability-driven party game of crazy reactions. And we're here to unbox this for you. We're ourselves extremely excited about this, so let's go ahead. I think the quality already looks amazingly neat, especially for a prototype. Let's take a look inside. So already the box looks amazing. It's like a little gloss on it. Can you see it? Yeah, great. Really cool. Nice. Also the box looks amazing. Yeah, it looks really neat. So let's go ahead, open the box. The rules, they look cool. They look really colorful and well readable. So I won't go through with you with the rules here. You can download them on our website and have a look there and see how the game is played. Yeah, cool. And here's the box. We have all the chips in here, and wow, they look great. Can't wait to open them. Let's take a look at one chip quickly. Nice. Wow, can you see the quality right here? Custom made chips just for us. Yeah, that's a really cool feeling. Really great job. The cards look great as well. Nice. You can open them quickly here. Nice. So this art paper, really good quality. Yeah, I'm really glad that the prints are so colorful and perfectly in the margin. Yeah, that's lucky. So there are 2 cards of ability cards. You see here the action cards, and then in the back we have all these like speech bubble cards with special effects. Like this one is really funny. So yeah, with 4 abilities we'll have 4 chip colors. All the other chip colors look great. And our damage tokens when you hit other players. And now the most important part. Let's take a look at the battle arena. Wow. Okay, that is amazing. This looks great. It's just perfect quality again. Yeah, I can't wait to start stacking in there some chips and place some abilities around it. Yeah. Can't wait to test out some games. Yeah, cool. Hope you like this unboxing. The quality is amazing, even though it's just a prototype right now. We hope you like the idea of the battling cage in the box. Yeah, we'll see you soon at our Kickstarter.